I recently coached an engineer, a man who spent 3 decades managing global supply chains and complex manufacturing floors. He had never run from complexity in his career. Yet, after trying AI twice, he dismissed the entire technology as a waste of time. What lay beneath his words was a crisis of identity. The tool had made him feel incompetent, a direct threat to a man whose professional worth was built on being the sharpest mind in the room. For a leader used to total command of his environment, the opaque nature of AI generated a specific kind of frustration. It made a highly capable expert feel like a novice again. This reveals a strange tension in modern work. A new technology designed to expand our capabilities is in practice making some of our most proven leaders feel obsolete. This feeling of displacement is reflected in the data. This visualization shows that 42% of global CEOs now cite technological transformation as their single biggest concern heading into 2026. Their primary fear is the prospect of falling behind. This often leads to a frantic effort to appear busy with the technology, even when a clear strategy is missing. We see this corporate cycle of forwarding AI articles with confident notes, while privately struggling to grasp how large language models actually function. It is a performance of confidence masking a lack of comprehension. This tension leaves many leaders caught in a difficult position. They are forced to project authority while harboring a private, unaddressed question, asking themselves, "Am I already falling behind?" The current anxiety stems from a misunderstanding of the leader's role. Many executives mistakenly believe their new job is to achieve technical literacy. However, learning the mechanics of coding or the nuances of prompt engineering is often a distraction. These are technical skills that high-level management may never actually need to master. The more effective goal is to understand how AI changes the direction of strategic decisions. Succeeding in this era relies on the same strategic judgment leaders have exercised for years. It is simply being applied to a new set of variables. In quantum mechanics, the observer effect links the measuring instrument to the measured object. They are entangled. AI functions similarly. The digital tool and human operate as a single system. Because organizations use identical foundational models, the technology acts as a constant for everyone. This is why the same model can produce a mediocre result for one user and a significant breakthrough for a strategic thinker. The difference isn't the software, it's the quality of the thought behind it. This chart highlights the disparity in outcomes. Currently, only 1 in 50 AI investments delivers transformational value to a company. This high failure rate suggests that many organizations are prioritizing the speed of adoption over the direction of the strategy. They are moving fast without knowing where they are going. When the underlying technology is a constant, the only remaining variable is the person using it. Returning to the automobile engineer, his breakthrough arrived when he stopped trying to master the tool's technical inner workings. He shifted his focus. Instead of asking, "What does this tool do?" he began asking, "What behavior am I trying to change?" This change in perspective allowed him to apply his decades of industry experience to the AI rather than feeling subordinate to it. He began to lead the tool instead of letting the tool frustrate him. His experience suggests that the value of these tools is unlocked by the clarity of the user's intent. Progress didn't come from a software update, but from a shift in his own strategic focus. We are moving into an era where basic analysis and execution are no longer scarce. They have become commodities that can be generated at scale. As algorithms take over the routine tasks of coordination and data processing, the definition of what it means to lead must change. If a model can handle your analysis and your execution, you have to ask yourself, what are you building in yourself that a mathematical model cannot replicate? In an age of abundant artificial intelligence, the most critical asset a leader possesses is their own self-awareness.